Ever feel like you're constantly playing financial whack-a-mole? Subscriptions popping up here, surprise bills there, it's a never-ending battle to keep track of your money. You religiously hold onto receipts, meticulously jot down transactions in a notebook, but somehow, the end of the month rolls around, and you're left wondering, where did it all go? There's a better way, folks. A way to ditch the paper trail and enter the age of effortless budgeting. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance apps, specifically Mint by Intuit. But before we jump in, the burning question on everyone's mind, can you actually link your bank account to Mint? The short answer, yes. Mint, like many budgeting apps, thrives on secure connections with your financial institutions. This way, it can automatically pull in your transactions, categorize them, because who has time for that, and give you a real-time snapshot of your financial health. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But here's the deal. Not all banks are created equal. While Mint boasts compatibility with thousands of financial institutions, there's always a chance yours might not be on the list. Don't fret though. Before we explore the how-to, let's address a few key points. Why link your bank account? Convenience is king. Automatic transaction syncing saves you hours of manual data entry. Mint does its categorization magic, giving you valuable insights into where your money goes. Plus, you can set up spending alerts and budget goals, keeping you on track for financial freedom. Is it safe? Security is paramount, especially when dealing with sensitive financial information. Mint utilizes industry-standard encryption protocols to safeguard your data. They also don't store your actual login credentials, they just use them to securely connect to your bank and retrieve transaction information. Alright, enough talk. Let's link that account. Here's a quick walkthrough on how to connect your bank account to Mint. Download the Mint app, available for free on both iOS and Android devices. Create your Mint account. This is a breeze. Just provide your basic information and a secure password. Time to connect. Look for the Add Account option. You'll likely be presented with a search bar where you can enter your bank's name. Security check. Once you select your bank, Mint will redirect you to a secure login page specific to your financial institution. Enter your usual login credentials here. Remember, Mint doesn't store these, it's a one-time verification step. Authorization dance. Your bank might ask you to confirm the connection through a security code sent via text message or email. This is another layer of protection. And boom! You're connected. Mint will now start pulling in your transactions, categorize them, you can always adjust these if needed, and voila! Instant financial clarity. A few things to keep in mind. The waiting game, the initial data sync might take a day or two, depending on your bank. Patience, young grasshopper. Not all accounts are equal. Mint might not be able to connect to every single account you have. For example, some prepaid cards or investment accounts might not be compatible. Check with Mint's support if you're unsure. Two-factor authentication? No problem. Most banks with two-factor authentication enabled work seamlessly with Mint. The app will guide you through the verification process. Mint, your financial BF. Linking your bank account to Mint is a game changer. It takes the manual grunt work out of budgeting and empowers you to make informed financial decisions. Remember, knowledge is power, and Mint equips you with the tools to truly understand your spending habits and reach your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.